Hello everyone, happy Sunday. This is the first Sunday after our season premiere. I just wanted to thank everybody for tuning in last Tuesday night. We had a great night. Looks like it did really well in the social media world and in the ratings, so thank you to everybody. I want to share our beautiful 1971 Cuda. This is a GB5 blue. This is the Phoenix Cuda, folks. This is the one that was burned to the ground. And the owner of it held it for many, many years after it was destroyed in hopes that someday he could get the car put back together again. So we have finished the metal portion of it. The floors, they're all original. Subframes, well, the unibody frame rails, they're all originals. Front inner fenders are original. Firewalls original. Upper cowl panels original. Roof inner structures original. But mostly quarter panels, roof skin, Dutchman panel, deck lid, rear body panel, doors. We had donor doors that we used, original ones on it. The drivetrain is all original numbers, matching drivetrain that we just finished restoring and installing. You're going to want to watch this car later this season. It was an automatic, so in the world of collectability, the most collectible and valuable 71 Hemi Cudas are the convertibles. Only made 11 of them. This one, they only made 48 with the automatic transmission. So this is also an ultra rare, ultra desirable car. All Hemi Cudas were shaker hoods, so it wasn't an option, it was standard equipment. But look at how beautiful that is. Will did a great job, but the metal guys also had their work cut out for them, making this car ready for all of its new sheet metal. But it came out gorgeous. Scott Smith up at Harms did our carburetors for us. Those are the original, correct. Let's see if I can show you the, yep. Carburetors, fasteners, all of that is original and correct. Look at how much space that thing takes up inside there. That's a legendary 426 Hemi 4¼ horsepower. We've got our date-coated spark plug wires. You can see that. Boom right there. Positive battery cable painted as it should be. This is a super track pack car, so it gets the power steering cooler. That's this little job right here. We have not put the cooling fan, clutch and radiator in the car, but we do have original ones for it. So yeah, I just thought everybody might enjoy taking a look at this car before they have to wait till the end of the season, I think, when it starts showing up. Do not miss a minute of the fun this year. We're really having a ball, and I hope you guys are enjoying every bit of it. Feel free anytime we post something to put your comments down below. Tell us what you think of this amazing car. Tell me what you think of the 1971 Hemi Cuda, the Phoenix Cuda rising from the ashes. Love to hear back from you folks. That's just what we do here at Graveyard Cars.